In today's life, we are going to quickly look at crypto bubbles, look at the overall perspective of Bitcoin, where is Bitcoin heading towards, and we're going to look at Baby Dogecoin on a macro level, like the weekly time frame, and we are going to analyze Refinance to see what is going on with price action and where this dip might dip to, like where is the end of this dip, or is this project dead? Can we see some sort of reversal from this project? So we're gonna discuss all of this stuff today on this live stream. If you're new here, you are watching the Returns Crypto. I'm all about helping you understand market structure, support and resistance, when to buy, take out profit. And not only that, I'm here to help you keep money when you make money. It's all about making money in the crypto space and keeping that money. Most of you make money, but you don't keep it because you allow your emotions to be carried away. You fall in love with project rather than falling in love with your money. So this is all what I'm about. If this sort of content interests you, then feel free to smash the subscribe button. I can see Jape Dudu's volume, not volume. I think I have volume. Maybe you should check your volume quickly. I think my volume is okay. I can see my volume and see that it's okay. So I think you should check your volume. Okay? Yeah. So, but my volume here is good. So check your volume there. I don't know if say it's still okay right now. All right. Let's dive right away to what I got for you guys today. We're gonna begin with crypto bubbles. Let's see. Okay, boy, look at these guys. Bitcoin is not doing well, and most of the coins are not doing well as well. Not like Bitcoin is not doing well, but we saw some minor pullback for Bitcoin, and most of these old coins are dying, like they are just bleeding. You know, and again, when you look at crypto bubbles, the bubbles in green are the ones that are doing well against Bitcoin, and the bubbles in red are the ones that is doing well against. That means Bitcoin is outperforming any coin that you see in red bubbles, while the coins you see in the green bubbles are doing well against Bitcoin. My crypto bubble is set to Bitcoin as the currency. I don't deal with fiat. I'm here to make more Bitcoin. I'm here to also help you guys make more Bitcoin. So let's see from the top 200 coins. Let's see which ones are doing well. Virtua is doing well. Boomer is down. GNO is up. People is up as well. Some few. Let's get to the top 300. Let's see what's going on there. Mundeng is oh wow. Mundeng. I have been monitoring this coin for some time now. I'm gonna see if say I can get some entry from this coin, but it's doing well. And I look at the chart, it's not really cool. I think this is just pump for now. Maybe when it pull back, then I can trade this. I can swing trade this. So let's look at the top 400. Let's see what's going on there. Based, yeah. When you go further to the top 500, you're gonna see that we have more coins, and most of them are just meme coins doing so well. Maga is up, pork, Ola. So yeah, mostly meme coins are doing so well, and we can all agree that we are in the meme season. And meme coin are the ones are the coins that that are driving this circle. Now let's look at Bitcoin briefly. Let's analyze what is going on with Bitcoin. The chart of Bitcoin looks somehow good. I've been looking at Bitcoin for some time now, and I made so many videos with you guys about the current state of Bitcoin, and I have this chart here that I have marked zones that I think Bitcoin is gonna if Bitcoin is gonna break, then it's gonna come to retest those zones, and if say it pull back to those zones, we are gonna see altcoins also pull back. I mentioned these multiple times that when we see pullback from Bitcoin, um, let's see. I can guys, is the volume okay? If my volume is okay, do let me know my volume is okay because someone said my volume wasn't okay. So if you're hearing me very well, say you can hear me, let me know that you can hear me so I won't be bothering myself more about the volume. Okay, but you are welcome to the live stream. So um yeah, so I mentioned that if Bitcoin break this structure, then we should expect a test of structure, and the target is going to be above $71,000 or $70,000. That's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. And as it stands, looking at this chart on the daily time frame, we are still in an uptrend for Bitcoin, but we are moving in this structure. Yeah, this range. We are still in this range. And whatever goes on here is maybe accumulation phase. You can trade this up and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And when price is going to break either direction, then we're going to know if where the market makers are going to be favoring price. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin briefly. Now let's get to Baby Dogecoin. You know, Baby Dogecoin, this is a chart of a Dogecoin on the weekly time frame, and I want you guys to see where we are right now. We are in this zone, and we are still bullish. We are still in an uptrend if say price stays like where it is, right? Because like we should expect some sort of pullback from here, no doubt. But now the problem is this movement, it was as a result of the previous movement, this previous movement, yeah. So we saw this huge pump of Baby Dogecoin to the upside when it was listed on Binance. And after that, we saw pullback. Now we are seeing the next move to the upside, which didn't go and make higher highs. Okay. Now, because price didn't go and make higher highs, we should be. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm looking at this at the wrong at the wrong chart. This is not the. I mean, sorry, the wrong time frame. So the weekly time frame is just to show us like where we are in the market. So what I was talking about was based on this daily time frame. Yeah, I was trying to analyze the market based on the daily time frame. Now, when it was launched on Binance, as I mentioned, we saw this huge pump to the upside, and after that, we saw a little bit of pullback. And we saw how price attempt to go to the upside, but price wasn't able to go and make higher highs. So this is what price did. Price pumped to the upside, price retraced, and price didn't go back to make higher highs. Now we are seeing price pulling back, and price has broken structure here for Baby Dogecoin, this minor structure here. Now, looking at this area now, we can rightly say price has formed an M for information, right? And whenever you see an M, it's sign that we're gonna see more downward movement for price. Now, what do we see at the left hand corner? We see a vector candle. Now, based on the strategy of based on the vector candle strategy, the market makers always go to recover vectors whenever they pump the market. So whenever they are pumping the market, they might recover half of that vector and then come and recover the rest of the other half, right? The other half. Now, in this case, they recover half and now they are back here. So if say we're gonna see the next movement for price, then it's gonna be to recover this area, yeah, this other half of the vector candle, and that's gonna be around 24 0.000024, and that's going to be a crucial zone as well for Baby Dogecoin that I think maybe we should expect a bounce from that area. Now, why should we expect a bounce from that area? Because we've seen multiple rejection for price here. You can see here in the past, we saw multiple rejection here. Let me just mark this zone. You see, we saw multiple rejection here. So there's high chances that if price to come here, we can expect a quick bounce back to this area. And if say price is not able to hold this zone, let's say like breaks do not hold, it's not able to break above this zone, then we should expect for price to even come down and go further, right, and recover the rest of these vectors here. That's why I have marked zones already. These zones that I mark here is there are areas where I expect to place a buy order, like trade the coin, or cash out profit if say it's in the upside to the upside, cash out profit here, then or place a trade here. But for those of you who are investors, you can use the zones to DCA, like to buy more of the coin. If so, you believe in Baby Dogecoin so much, and you think that the future is bright, you want to buy more as price keep dipping, fine. Like let's say for example, you miss this upward trend, and you want to buy from the bottom. Now, my concern here are these vector candles. So once these vector candles are all eating up, then we can, or I can, you know, confidently say that maybe the market makers can start pushing price to the upside. Again, it still depends on what Bitcoin will do. If Bitcoin is going to do well, then we can see a quick pullback from here, like price can, as a feed zone, then move to the upside, because there's liquidity here that they can come and grab easily before push price back to the upside. And if say they do that, maybe they can create an area where we have a trend line, or start the next move to the upside. So let's see, if say we have to create a trend line here, something like this. They can form something like this. Let's see. Yeah, they can, keep maintaining this range. Yeah, bring price here, or at least they can, do something like this, you know, bring price here. So that's what I'm looking at for Baby Dogecoin. I don't know um whether you guys are actually trading this bad boy on major exchanges, or you are just holding it, waiting for price to 100x. I don't know. Or I don't know who you are, if say like the kind of plan you have or strategy you have to trade or invest in Baby Dogecoin. I don't know about that. So yeah, just comment below if say you just buy and hold forever, or you want to take advantage of how I go about the market to take out profit from at key levels. Then you wait for pullback, you buy at certain key levels, certain zones. If you follow my live stream, then you're gonna understand these zones. You can already mark the zones. You can take a screenshot or go and watch these videos multiple times to get the zones here. It's marked for you to take advantage of it. So that's it um for Baby Dogecoin. Now let's move to refinance. Oh boy, look at this dumb, this bad boy. you know at times when you look at chart like this, it's clear, it's simple that um those who were driving the price to the upside were mostly traders, right? Traders were the ones that was driving this price to the upside. And when you see a huge dip like this, it means that a whale or someone who have a huge amount of liquidity in this coin have cash out some profit. Now it could be an exchange, or it could be a whale. Well, it is still the same thing. A whale can still be an exchange. Now, what next for refinance or reef coin? Can we see reef coin move to the upside to recover most of these vectors here? Now, I want to consider this move as um, a three move, right? So this one should be the first move, the downside, second, then the third move now. So during this third move, I want to believe that this should be the bottom. But now I cannot say that I want to believe this should be the bottom. Why? Because of these vectors here. They can still bring price and recover all of these gains that they gave you in the past. That means if say you didn't sell, you're just one of those people that I am trying to educate on my platform to always cash out profit whenever they see a huge pump in the project that they are holding. You don't have to be greedy. Big investors, big players in the game, hedge funds, they cash out profit because they are in the game of making money. But I don't know about you. You say you are making money or not. It's up to you. Maybe the project is you own the project, or someone in your family is the major stakeholder, or someone in your family is like the owner of this project, that you just hold it. You have so much confidence that this a pump like this is not going to be followed by a huge sell-off. Look at this multiple days, so many days that this coin has been pumping, but it took just few days for them to just wipe almost all of the gains that you made. So be be focused with your investment, be focused with your trades. Don't just trade, don't just buy stuff because you want to buy it, and when you see price start going to the upside, you become excited, with no plan, no strategy to take out profit. It's so bad, it's so bad. I've been there, and I know how it hurts. You watch your portfolio go to the upside, and boom, you wake up someday and finding that you have been scammed. Or now, most of you are calling this project a scam. I've gone through some, like, what they are all about. I think have they have something going there. They are in a decent space, I mean, category, right? And I love the category that they are in. Now the question is, are they just bluffing, or are they just saying that they are building, or this chain that you can, I think you can transfer Ethereum, or yeah, I think something like that. Let me just go quickly to see. Um, let me just check quickly. I think I had that. Yeah, refinance. Let me just check quickly. What they are all about. You know, I think they are onto something. Yeah, and if say the team is building. Those of you who are following the fundamentals, I don't care so much about the fundamentals of most coins. I care more about their chart. I just go to check what they are all about and see if say they are active in their on they are active in with their Twitter. I'm not able to speak that. If they are active in their Twitter, if they have a community on Twitter or X, you can call it that way. If they have a community, they tweet, and I see engagement in the tweet. I see that they have a good community on Telegram as well. Then I'm just gonna be saying to myself, okay, I'm gonna focus on the chart to see if those numbers that I see on X or on their social platforms are gonna be reflected on like on price action. Now, Reef is a reliable, extensible, efficient, fast layer one blockchain for DeFi, NFT, and gaming built using substrate framework. It provides high scalability, enabling almost instant low-cost transaction and support Solidity and EVM, allowing developers to seamlessly migrate their dApps from Ethereum without any change in the code base. So yeah, at least I was on track to an extent. Yeah, it's going to more of a bridge from Ethereum or migrate from Ethereum. So yeah, they have something pretty decent going. The question now is price action going to reflect what I just read there? And the answer is on the charts. Let's see if say key structures are going to be respected. Let's see if say we're going to see pullback to recover most of these vector candles. If that's not the case, then I'm going to consider this coin as a dump. As any coin that doesn't respect my TA, I don't deal with them. So I'm going to be waiting to see what will happen with Reef, on the lower time frame. Let me just see this. Okay, now you see. Oh boy. Okay. Um. Yeah. This is not good. Anyways, well, let me not say this is not good because this was a structure that was broken. Okay, this structure was broken here during this movement. So what we don't want to see here for refinance is for price to go and eat all of this gains here, then go and form lower lows. We don't want to see that. And also, yeah, we have broken structure, which is good sign. Yeah, we break structure, yeah. So let's see how far this pullback is gonna go. From this pullback, we might determine what the next move might be for refinance. But again, look at this movement on the weekly time frame. Huge 6 week conservatively price has been in an uptrend. But look at this, it took just 1 week to eat almost all of the gains. Look at this, guys. So this is how the market is now. Looking at the weekly time frame, I think we are at a zone where I might say price should bounce from, looking at the weekly data. Okay, so macroly, we can expect price to somehow they come here, move sideways before we start seeing pullback. But if we're gonna see pullback, I think it's gonna be massive gains. I've been looking at this coin like my eyes are on this coin. Why? I want to make huge gains during pullback. When I see that the market makers want to now push price to the upside, then all I need to do is bring in my famous tool. What is that tool, guys? My Fibonacci retracement tool. All I have to do is take it from the top there to the bottom to give me my target. So this is gonna be my target, my first target. There's 0.005. So if say I get confirmation here that we're gonna see some sort of reversal on the weekly time frame or daily time frame, then I'm gonna be cashing out my profit. Yeah. Or maybe, yeah, I think, yeah, I would have cashed out my profit. Yeah. So that's what I'm looking at for refinance now. On the 4 hours time frame, it's not good. Look at these vectors here. You can still play a short-term game, and I do play the short-term game. Yeah. So if say we're gonna see a movement on the 4 hours time frame, so what I want to see, I want price to break, go at least, eat all of these zone here, break structure, come back and retest structure, but price must not go and form lower lows. So from there, I want to start seeing a new structure building here, formation, new formation structure here until price eats all of those vectors here, all of these vectors. Then from there, maybe I want to wait again to see an M, then see what price will do afterward. But this is what I'm looking at, or this is how price moves. So if you understand how price moves, it's gonna help you to be ahead of your game always, you know, and make some profit every now and then. Yeah, I don't want this stream to be so long. I came here purposely to do, you know, to do refinance and Baby Dogecoin. Casper, oh, Casper is dead. I think Casper is dead. Let's just go briefly. I'm not gonna see SPRO. You know, let's see what this bad boy is doing. I think Casper is dead. Yeah, look at this movement only on the 4 hours time frame. It's not good, guys. It's not good. Until I seek confirmation that we gonna be breaking structure back to the upside. We're gonna see higher highs, higher lows. We have been seeing more lower lows and lower highs recently, particularly on the higher time frame, like the daily time frame. You see, it's not healthy. Look at this here. It's not healthy, guys. So again, let's just see what will happen here for Casper. Um, until price get into this zone here. This was the area where we saw that uh, quick breakout here. So we should expect price to get back there at least. I don't know when price is gonna do that, but price should at least go back there and hold. Yeah, that's when I can start thinking of maybe we might expect this bad boy to start giving us hope again. But as of now, this is dumb. I mentioned in my previous Casper video that they are slowly dumping on you, so you better get out, as soon as you can. Don't think more of the losses. Focus on what you can gain by investing in the right project always. So that's what I'm looking at for in all of these coins. This is what I got for you guys today. If you love the content and you want to see more of this and other coins, make sure you comment below, like this content, share, join my Telegram group. The links are found below this video. Go to the description, go to my link tree, connect with me through my free Telegram group, or if you want to get my buy and sell signal, make sure you join my VIP group. There you're gonna get my buy and sell signal. All the links are found below this video. Let's connect. Let's build this community together. And again, if you haven't yet followed me on X, follow me on X. The link is found below this video. Go to my link tree, and from my link tree, scroll and look for where you can connect with me on X. Everything on what I do is about what I do is on my link tree. So go and do just that. But shout out to all of you who have been here. Let me just call some names: JP, Wiz Dream. Let's see, Magna Boom. Yeah, you guys are awesome. See you guys tomorrow or on Sunday. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye. Ciao.